Hey, what's up, people? This is your boy A5 with Trill Book coming to you today with a video talking about Thumbnail Blaster, which is in the Blaster Suite. It's a product that's made, a platform that's made by Stoica Micah, I think that's his name, and I forget the other individual's name. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce his name, and I don't want to butcher his name. So these guys really make some really good products, and I own quite a few of them. And this thumbnail blaster is like the best tool to use for creating thumbnails. This is what I use to create thumbnails for all of my videos. This is one channel that I just started, and this is my gaming channel that I have. And I haven't made a thumbnail for this channel for a while because I've been focused on the other channel, actually building that channel, and kind of neglecting this channel. But hey, I'm not here to talk about that. But yeah, this particular software is amazing. If I would have to say, I would say this is amazing because, for one, it does everything you need. Like when it comes to thumbnails, you wouldn't need any other platform, any other software to make your thumbnails if that's what you're strictly focused on. It's just your thumbnails. This will take care of everything. And once I found this, I just don't do any, I don't go to any other platform to do thumbnails but this one for my YouTube videos, and you'll see why. So I just went down and I picked a video. Once I came in, sometimes you come in and it won't have the correct count for your videos, and you just go to refresh and it'll refresh your video. So I go down and I find these are the ones that have thumbnails created for them, and the ones that say no, they don't, obviously. Okay, so I come in, choose the one that I want to work on next, and excuse me, I go to the next step. And this is what the AI suggests, and I don't use it all the time. It comes up with good suggestions sometimes, but not all the time, because yeah, it should have given me a gaming. Although you don't have to use a gaming template, I just prefer the gaming templates, which it's a fair share, but not many. So you would want to have a lot of assets when it comes to making the gaming thumbnails. So you would want to have to go somewhere where you can find flexible images, which these are called the transparent images. It's a site called Flexible Images that you can actually get these type of images from, thousands of them, and you can find these. And it's some software like Pixlr that you can buy, and it'll actually it does a great job. The AI does a great job with making transparent images. Takes the background out real well, so you can find things that can make all of these, because a lot of these have copyright, have copyrights on them. So if you use them and they're copywritten images, you will you'll be receiving a letter. And so you kind of want to do everything like on your own. So with this with this software, man, like you could do everything with it as long as you have the images. And the editor is so easy to use. Everything is drag and drop. And if you've ever used an editor online, which I'm pretty sure you have, everybody has, is pretty much the same thing, where you can make your letters bold, italicized, underlined, whatever you want to do with your letters. And what I like about it, you could take the dripper tool, and I can come here and, let's say I want this color, I can make my, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So I can make it whatever color I want just by hitting the dripper tool. So this platform is really they took a lot of time with this platform. It is, and I don't recommend anything that I don't use myself, and I use this frequently. And as long as you got these images, you can drag and drop. Like if I wanted to change that image out, I just come to change image, and it'll. These are all the images that I've already uploaded, and just for the sake of this video, I'll replace. And let's see, I'll get rid of her. Nope. Bring that back. Leave that. There she is. Delete her. Bring her over. Now let's make her bigger. And then layers, I'll take her. Put her behind the smoke. And then since I changed that picture out, I'll come over and let's see. Oh, that's something else. Let me get to this real quick. So I need. Nope, not that. What are you doing? Oh, that's an image. That's why. So I'll have to take this out. Let me take that out. And now my image. I know I got a Super Mega Champ in here. I should have. Well, if I don't, I'll just do it this way. Shorten that up. Remove this. Bring this up. Change this to sorry about that. There we go. And then I'll bring another character in probably. Change this to that. And then this goes back. I'll put it here. And then I'll go back to images. And then I'll bring in her mech. Let's see, I'll place him. Take her, put her here. Make that a bit smaller. Bring that here. this here. Then I have to bring this one out a little bit. Let me make her smaller. Now let's see. See if it'll save it. It looks terrible, I know. I could have made a better one. Alright, let me go back. That looks like too much space. So I'll bring in another. I'll bring him in. Make him a little taller. Bring in one more. There we go. Looks about right. All right. There we go. So, that easy. And those are images that I already had in here from previous. And I know this is not, I don't think that was a Super Mega Champion that I was, video that I was making it for. So, I'm not going to save this one. And I'm just showing you how easy it is to make this and to do some really decent high quality thumbnails that'll, you know, get people attention, especially the gaming industry, because it's like a lot of colors and a lot, you know, everyone loves cartoons. So if you have a gaming channel and you do some really bad thumbnails, your videos will get a lot of views. So this is, I don't know why it's taking this long. It definitely doesn't ever take this long. It never takes this long at all. So it could be something Okay, yeah. See, no, that's Call of Duty, so I'm not gonna save it. But this is my review of Thumbnail Blaster. Like, it's definitely worth it. It's definitely easy to use. So if you're just getting into it and you don't and you think, oh, I won't know how to, maybe it's too hard for, no, this is definitely easy. Anybody can do it. Only thing you need is the pictures. If you can find transparent pictures, you can make transparent pictures of anything you want. There's uh, uh there's a software called Pixlr. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this actual software that takes the background out for you. Like, the AI takes the background out and it does it perfectly. It doesn't leave any white marks or anything, nothing. It doesn't leave anything behind. It takes everything out. And you could use that, and it's very cheap. I think it's like $40-$50 on if you get it from AppSumo or wherever you get it from. But yeah, it's definitely worth it. And Thumbnail Blaster, if, as long as you find transparent pictures, you could do tons and tons of thumbnails. And like, if you have agency like I do here, if you see I have the Pro, Standard, and Club plus the agency, you can actually create thumbnails for people too. And I make money doing thumbnails for some people on Fiverr. I haven't done it in a while, but I have made money that way. So if you want to get Thumbnail Blaster to do it that way, to get agency so you could actually sell the thumbnails, it's actually great to do that too. So yeah, basically this is my review of it, and I give this software a 10 out of 10. And if you're using this for the thumbnails, if you're looking for something that you can use for just making thumbnails, then this is the software to get. You don't need anything else. It's the easiest to use. I come in here and I make a thumbnail in maybe 5 minutes. As you can see, I make them very, very quickly. And as soon as you hit publish, it publishes instantly to your YouTube channel. And once you refresh the page, the thumbnail is already there. So Google accepts it, and it uses the Google API, obviously. So it's a great product. It's being maintained very well, and it's constantly being updated. And they're constantly doing making thumbnails and templates, because there's some templates that I just saw today that are new, just making this video. So yeah, if you want this, the link will be in the description, and this is an affiliate product. So if you purchase through this link, I will receive a small commission, and it's nothing to your expenses. So yeah, with that being said, thank you. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. So yeah, thanks.